Today we are going to draw and colour in some Easter eggs. Ooh, yummy. I love Easter eggs, don't you? Ooh, just filled to the brim with chocolate. We're drawing 3 as a group, overlapping each one and decorating each one with its own pattern. Starting with zigzag on the first and some flowers. Let's do another one with 4 petals, some semicircles. There! Some curvy lines on the second egg and some side-on squares, 4 of them. Some more curvy lines. Third egg, let's do some diamonds. Hey, do you know the other name for a diamond shape? That's right, it's rhombus. Some curvy lines and a zigzag. Woohoo! Let's darken up the border. We'll thicken it up with a black pen. Ready to colour in! Let's go for orange for our first egg. Of course you can choose any colour you like. What's your favourite colour? A nice semi-light coloured orange. We're using a very thin-tipped pen because we want to be very careful not to go over our black lines. So we're leaving the zigzagged area clear for now because we're going to do that a different colour. And then just colouring in the top half and the bottom half. Carefully going around our flowers. Excellent, you're doing really well. Keep going. Do you know any fun facts about Easter eggs? I wonder where the idea of eggs came from. Well, I'll tell you what, we have Germany to thank for the Easter Bunny. That's right, they came up with the idea in the Middle Ages. That was a long, long, long time ago. Let's go for green for our third egg. A light sort of lime green on the top part, going around our diamonds. Do you remember the other name for diamond? That's right, it's rhombus. Well remembered. And the middle section. The idea of Easter eggs actually dates back way before Easter. That's right, it originated from medieval Europe. A symbol of rebirth in many cultures. We're doing a dark green on the bottom section of this egg. You see how we're mixing up 2 different shades of the same colour? It's a great technique to use in art. Light green and dark green. Well, you can use as many greens as you like, actually. Okay, we're going for purple for our middle egg. No need to rush when you do your designs. Take your time. You can do any patterns you like and any colours you like. Pause this video if you can't remember what to do and you need more time, or simply come up with your own patterns and shapes. Perhaps you could do swirly whirly patterns like a lollipop. Perhaps you could do stars or hearts or polka dots. Anything you like. We've got zigzags, curvy lines, semicircles, flowers, squares and diamonds going on here. Some red. Sets off very nicely against the paler orange. What colour should we do the flowers and the semicircles? How about yellow? Yes, fantastic. I bet you didn't know that in Germany, people actually dance with eggs. That's right, the egg dance is an Easter tradition in Germany. People put eggs on the floor and dance around them, trying not to break any. Do you reckon you could do it? Well, perhaps if they were hard-boiled. Some pink going in our diamonds there. So we've got a lovely vast array of different colours here. Did you know that the world's biggest Easter egg was more than 34 feet tall? That is really, really, really tall. That's right. And apparently it was super heavy too. It weighed 15,873 pounds. That is a lot of pounds. And it was made in Italy. You're going for a bright pink here for this segment, so again using 2 shades of the same colour. Lovely, pink and green. We're going for a pale yellow for our middle egg. And a lovely bright pink that matches up with our 3rd egg stripe. Let's go for some light blue for our squares. Again, 2 shades of the same colour. You see a theme going on here? Some red in the middle to match the 1st egg. So the middle egg has the pink to match the 3rd egg and the red to match the 1st egg. Kind of combines the 3 eggs as a package, don't you think? Last part, nearly there. And there you have it.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art!